Hi, I'd like to introduce you to the EVGear Level 1 and Level 2 electric vehicle charger. In the box we have instruction manual, the cable, the charger, the Level 1 adapter, and the dock. Okay, what we have here is the NEMA 620 outlet that runs at 20 amps, gives you level 2 charging. We have the adapter here that plugs into that gives you the ability to plug into any regular wall socket, and that charges at level 1 charging. Alright, so that's that adapter cable that allows you to adapt that and use it anywhere. Otherwise, that goes into a NEMA 620 socket. We have the control box. As you can see, the control box, which has LED indicators. You have a mounting, you have the indicator guide here on the back, and then you have a spot to mount it. The 25-foot cable, we have the J1772 electric vehicle plug here, which is standard for all US cars. Every electric vehicle and hybrid car uses this piece. And then we have the included dock, which allows you to mount that to the wall and just snap that on. We'll show you how to mount that in a second. Alright, so that's everything that's included. The next thing we're going to do is go ahead and mount our handle dock. So I mark all 4, and then I'll drill and put anchors in, and then I'll mount that right there. You can put it anywhere in your garage that you want to, that the cable will reach. So I've mounted the handle dock to the wall. Simply take your handle and snap it in place, and it holds your handle for you. Okay, so I've had my electrician install this 220 volt NEMA 620 plug that goes to the end here, and I'm going to go ahead and plug that in, and now I've got level 2 charging. We include a handy level 1 cable adapter that allows you to adapt the cable by plugging in the adapter. That will allow you to plug the charger into any standard household wall outlet and achieve level 1 charging. The final step is to plug your J1772 handle into the car. Once it's plugged in, the car will automatically start charging. Once your car is completely charged, simply unplug it by pressing the button and removing the handle. Once you've plugged in the EVGear charger, the power light will come on. Once you plug your car in, the charging status light will start to flash. When the charge of the car is full, the light will stop flashing. Car controls the charging status and the charging levels. If the fault light comes on, contact us at info@evgearshop.com or call us on our toll-free number. To mount the control box on the wall, simply find a screw that fits into the back of the plate here, and then screw it in the wall, and then hang the control box on the wall by putting the screw in the hole and sliding down.